this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the speed of the copying on your PS4. So you need at least double the amount of space for the game because it's going to rewrite the game and overwrite it. So you need double the amount. So we want to go to settings right here and then go to storage and just calculate the system storage. And then make sure you have enough information or free space on your PS4 for anything you're trying to download. So just go over to a game, press delete, and then delete it. So once we do this and we have enough free space, we want to go on over to the download section. So we could try pausing the download and then just resuming it. And that seems like it tends to make it go a little bit quicker, especially if it's downloading. So you should be able to find it under the download section. Just go to the game, pause it, and then resume it. Now, if you are downloading something and it's very slow, close down any application you have open. So you should be able to find open applications, or just go to it and then press options on it and then close the game or application. And that should make it go faster as well. Also, if you are using a Wi-Fi, this is going to slow down your downloads, especially on your original PlayStation 4. This is capped to maybe 100 megabytes per second download. Mine only goes to 70 for some reason. So if I go to test internet connection right now, so I got a 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, and my download speed on my computer is 500 megabytes per second. On here it's only 70 for the Wi-Fi. So if you use a LAN cable, plug it in directly. Look, it's only 45, even though I'm paying $80 a month. But use a LAN cable, this will triple, if not quadruple your speeds. So definitely use a LAN cable. Otherwise, you can go to Walmart or Amazon.com and you can buy a Wi-Fi antenna that plugs back into your PS4, and that will increase the speed too. So you got to use a LAN cable. It connects to the back of your PS4, and then a little antenna is there too, and it will transmit the signal back over to your router, and that seems like it speeds up your connection too. Now, the best thing to speed up the copying that you can possibly ever do is buy an SSD. So if you buy an SSD for your PlayStation 4, this could only cost maybe $40 to $50 on Amazon.com. And you want to buy a laptop SSD. You don't want an M.2 or anything like that. Otherwise, it won't fit in the PlayStation 4. So it's going to look something like this right here. So this is a 1 terabyte SATA 2.5 inch internal SSD. So the transfer rate is so much quicker. And this one's 1 terabyte for $56. So go ahead and just purchase something like this, and you will not regret it. Grand Theft Auto will load in a minute and a half instead of 5 minutes. And Minecraft will load in a minute versus 3 or 4 minutes. Another thing that we can try is going to power and turning off our PS4. And turn this off completely. And we can just rebuild the database. Maybe there's an issue with our installed hard drive on our PS4. So let's go down to it now. And you can see the light is blinking. And wait for this to stop blinking, but plug in your controller with a USB cable just like this so we can operate the safe mode menu. And wait for the stop and then hold down the power button. You'll hear one beep initially, and then you're going to hear another beep. And just wait for that beep and then let go. Then press the PlayStation button to operate the safe mode menu. And once we're on here now, we can press this and go down to option number 5, rebuild database. Go to the right, go to OK. This is going to restart to a blue screen that says estimated amount of time. And if you have any kind of corrupted data, hardware issue, this should fix that. So I have an SSD installed in my PlayStation 4. And when I go to this rebuild database, it's only going to take 10 to 15 seconds. On your hard drive, it might take 4 or 5 minutes. So definitely look at an SSD. That was the biggest improvement to my PS4 that I could ever make. It fixes all those slow menus, the hiccups that you get, that you're moving around, etc. And every game loads so much quicker. So it's not even that expensive. $50 for 1 terabyte. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.